Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm just gonna show you how I made my own simple door lock, and it is also a digital door lock that is controlled by a servo. So as you can see, there is a simple servo, SG90S simple servo in this door lock, and I made it myself. So what I did is I took a simple door lock and I just gave a simple rod here and gave some super glue and stuck it with the paper, and simply I just gave it with the servo. So if the servo moves, this one will also move, means the door will open and close. So if I give the power to the Arduino, you can see it more clearly. So now I'm giving the power to the Arduino. Okay, now as you can see, the servo is moving here and there, and the door lock is also moving. So now the door is closed, closed, open, closed and open. So this was the thing, and in my next video I also try to control this door lock with the serial monitor, means you will type 1 in the computer and the door lock will open, and if you type 2 the door lock will close. And I will also try to control this simple door lock with mobile phone using Bluetooth. So in my next video I will try to do this thing. So let's meet in next video. Goodbye, stay safe.